Hello everyone, for today's video I just wanted to share with you a technique that I use if I have to install my rear facing car seat without a base. A base is not a requirement for you to properly install your car seat. It's there for you so that you can install it in your primary vehicle, install it properly, and after that it becomes more of a convenience because you just have to snap your car seat into the base. But if you have to move your car seat around, let's say you have to ride with a friend, you have to ride an Uber, and you have to travel by plane and you have to rent a car on another place, you really can't bring your base with you. So today I'm going to share with you the technique that I use so that the car seat is properly installed and it's not moving around once you put it in. So first thing you want to look at is the seatbelt anchor, and for most car seat it's going to be right here in the front. Okay, the next thing you want to look at is your level. So most of the level are going to be a red sticker, red line in your car seat, or it's going to be a liquid level. So for this particular one, it's going to be this one right here. You want to make sure that this is leveled properly to the ground. So you want it horizontally level like this. You don't want it too high and you don't want it too low. Okay, because this one is pointing down, this one is pointing up. So what you want is for the car seat to be properly leveled like this. Okay, so that is your goal. So the next thing that you want to know is if you have a self-locking seat belt. If you have a vehicle that is built in the mid 90s, you already have that self-locking seat belt. But if you don't have a self-locking seat belt, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to install that as well if you have, let's say, a car in the 80s. So to test if you have a self-locking seat belt, all you have to do is put your seat belt in. And once you put the seat belt in, you want to pull the shoulder side all the way, okay? And then let it go. Once you let it go, try to pull this again, it will not move anymore. So it basically just move about an inch or two, but that's it. You cannot pull it all the way down anymore. If you don't have a self-locking seat, but what will happen is even if you pull this all the way and put it up, it's not going to lock. You'll still be able to move your seat belt like this, okay? So for my vehicle, this is built in 2007. So when I pull this all the way and let it go, now this is locked, okay? Before we get started, I ask that you help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and make sure to leave a comment down below and tell us how you will install your car seat properly. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. If you have an option, the best place for you to put your car seat in is going to be in the middle of your car. So it's going to be like an egg that you want to protect. So if you have an impact on any side of your car, your baby is well protected if it's in the middle. But for this demonstration, I'm going to put it right here in the side. And this is where I usually put my car seat as well because it's easier access. So the first thing you want to do again is you want to level this. And if you have an option to move your car seat backwards, you want to do that as well. So let's do that. Okay. And I'll show you later why I have to move it all the way back. And also, if you have an option to recline the seat back, you want to do that as well. You want to recline it all the way. Once you've done that, you want to level this to the ground. So make sure this is perfectly level to the ground, okay? So right now, this is the best place that I can do. Next is you want to route your seat belt right here and install it in your seatbelt buckle, okay? Okay, so once you have that, you want to go inside your car and put your weight right here and pull it all the way here, okay? Once you do that, you want to pull your seatbelt all the way so that you activate the locking mechanism, and then you want to release it. So now this is the best that I can do by just pulling the seatbelt. So right now it's pretty secure right here, but you can see right here the car seat is still moving over an inch, and you don't want that. You want your car seat to move less than an inch once you secure it. And that is the reason that I recline this seat, because I'm going to use this as a leverage. Okay, so now I'm going to put the seat back to its position. So now it doesn't move anymore. And if you want, you can also move your seat forward some more, and that will tighten your belt some more. So if you can see now, it doesn't really move anymore. Okay. So that's how you install a car seat with your self-locking seat belt. So now I'm going to show you how to install a car seat without a self-locking seat belt. So if you have a car in the 80s, there's also a way to do it. Okay. And let me go release this. Okay, so if you're installing your car seat without a self-locking seat belt, you want to look at the back of your car seat, and you're going to see this um, latch right here. I'm not really sure what's this called, but I believe they call it a seatbelt latch or seatbelt anchor. Um, if you know what's this called, please comment down below and let us know. And basically, you just go to the same way. So for this part, it is very important for you to recline your seat all the way. And then I'm going to reroute this seat belt again and buckle it, and then reroute this back right here. And once you reroute your seatbelt back here, all you need to do here is use your anchor. And this is going to be a little tight, but we'll make it work. So we're going to go like this. Do the first one on the top. That one's easy. This one right here is going to be a little tight right here. Okay. So make it, just push it a little. There you go. And once you have that, the next thing you want to do is just put the seat back to its current position. So now you can see that your car seat is properly locked and it's not moving anywhere. So, okay. So I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. And thank you for watching.